Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that has confused a lot of people. Is avocado hot or cold? Some say it's cooling, others claim it's warming. So what's the truth? Stick around for the next few minutes and we'll break it down for you. Before we get into avocados, let's quickly understand what hot and cold foods mean. No, we're not talking about temperature. In Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, foods are classified based on how they affect your body. Hot foods, like chili peppers and ginger, increase heat, boost metabolism, and improve circulation. Cold foods, like watermelon and cucumber, have a cooling effect and help reduce inflammation. Now, where does avocado fit in? Avocados are creamy, rich, and packed with nutrients. But what does science and traditional medicine say about their nature? Western nutrition tells us avocados contain healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, which help maintain body balance. They don't have a heating effect like spicy foods. In Ayurveda and TCM, avocados are generally considered cooling because they are hydrating, anti-inflammatory, and help soothe the stomach. However, the answer isn't always black and white. Here's where it gets interesting. Avocado's effect depends on how you eat it and your body type. If you have a heat-dominant body, Pitta in Ayurveda, avocados will cool you down. If you already feel cold, Kapha type, too much avocado might make you feel sluggish. In warm weather, avocado is cooling and hydrating. In cold weather, pairing it with warming foods like toast and eggs balances its effect. So, is avocado hot or cold? The answer is mostly cooling, but it depends on you. If you're eating it with spicy foods, it can feel neutral. If you're in a cold climate and eat too much, it might make you feel heavy. Bottom line, avocados are amazing, but balance is key. Let me know in the comments. Do avocados feel hot or cold to you? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun food facts. See you next time.